Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear. Georgian Bar is a decorative feature that is typically installed on the inside of our insulated glass units. The bar is made into different configurations, creating a pattern inside the insulated glass units. Georgian bars can be made from a variety of materials, but ours are mainly aluminium and PVC. They can be designed in different shapes and sizes, depending on the style of window and the desired look. It is important to understand that Georgian Bar is purely a decorative feature. Georgian bars are cut and built profiles that are applied to the inside of our spacer bar frames using our precise quad robot that ensures accuracy and consistency when manufacturing Georgian frames. They can be built both horizontally and vertically to create either a single bar, cross, or a grid pattern. Our Georgian profiles come in various widths and colours to suit our customers' requirements. For more information on Georgian Bar, feel free to get in touch with either Regency Glass or your local window supplier.